Hello Harris, the best affiliate on the planet. Now today I'm going to show you how we're going to create API domains for the agency view and the sub-account view. Now what API domains are is like basically for your calendars, for example, the URL, it will say lmx.com, for example, in my case, as I've configured the API domain in the agency view to say lmx.com. The problem with that is if you have a sub account for a personal trainer and they have a URL for a calendar, for example, their calendar URL will say lmx.com, which is not what we want. We want the URL to say whatever the personal trainers or whatever his name of the business actually is. So that's where you configure API domains for your sub account. Okay, so let me show you how we do that. So firstly, agency view. Let's go to agency view and go to settings. Now go to company and you should see here API domain. Okay, now what you want to do is have a CNAME record pointed to brand.ludicrous.cloud. Okay, let me show you my one. So here's my cloud there where my DNS records are, and what you want to do is type in link dot whatever your domain is. My domain is lmx.com, so put link dot your domain, then you want to press whatever it says there. So type in your thing and press continue, and then it should do it for you. But if not, they want you to create a CNAME record pointing to brand.ludicrous.cloud. So all you do is create a CNAME. Here should be link, point it to this brand.ludicrous.cloud, paste that in here and press save. So that's how you do it for agency view. Now, everyone who makes a sub account will have this API domain of lmx.com. All an API domain is a branded domain. You can brand your system generated links to represent the chosen domain. So it's like whatever generated links, like calendar links, stuff like that, they will have our link. But if you want a specific link for them, specific branded URL, you want to create an API for the sub account. So let's go into a sub account. Go to settings, then go to business profile, and where it says branded domain here. So in the sub account, this domain ends in .co.uk. So what we can do here in the sub account is do this, call it link.dawnmma.co.uk and press add domain. Press confirm. Okay, and it should say your domain provider is GoDaddy, and we should authorize domain and press connect. Let it authorize. While we wait, be sure to sign up to Gohighlevel through my link and get all these benefits here. It costs you nothing, so be sure to sign up, get all these benefits, and claim your free trial when you sign up. Okay, so that seems to be done. And now that's the branded domain, that's the API domain, update information, and that's all done. So now whenever a calendar link or anything like that will be under the domain of Dawn MMA and not LMX for this sub account. So all your clients, you need to make sure that they have their own branded domain for this sub account. Okay, so that's all. Be sure to sign up to Gohighlevel through my link, get all the benefits, and please, and if you've got any questions, comment and like the video, helps me out. Thank you.